Hey guys, this is your doctor. Yesterday someone wrote me in the comments that I have to do the same test in 4K 60 FPS with the new Action 2 from DJI with fans on it. And yeah, I got some fans, you can see it, and we will make this test today and look how long it will be running. Let's go! Okay, at first we have to start the fans. I have 3 power modes. This is the full power mode. You can see the other is also working. I make the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. This is full cooling mode now. And I would say, let's go. Let's start this camera. 4K 60 FPS and time lapse on. Enjoy the video and have fun. Yeah, baby, it works, it works, it works. Look at these beautiful fans. You can see we have the full battery lifetime on it. No overheating anymore. Everything is okay. Before we had only 10 minutes of running time at 4K and 60 FPS and the camera runs hot. Now we have about 18 minutes and 50 seconds and we have the whole battery lifetime and it works. So it might be a little bit difficult to put these fans on a FPV drone or something like this, maybe on a Cinewhoop, and yeah, it works. Yeah, €1. DJI, why didn't you build a fan inside this camera? So guys, you can see I have fixed the overheating problem at the DJI Action 2 camera. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and in the next video we will put this small cube here in a freezer and look how long it will be running. Let's go!